Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd. This sermon has been taken from the book written by Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdul Aziz Ghazi Hafizahullah Ta'ala, book named Beautiful Etiquettes of Islam. Today we will be learning about etiquettes of making friends. Islam is a religion that is actually a complete guidebook for a man living in this world. It guides us how to deal with a newborn baby, how to deal with life, how to deal with different phases of life, in fact, and then at the end it teaches the man how to deal with the death of his loved ones as well as those who are not as near and dear. Islam is not only a religion comprising of rules for worship, but it is a complete guidebook of life. We invite all non-Muslims of any region or any religion to come and study Islam, a religion which is a divine religion, a religion which has been sent down from the creator of all the worlds. Like many other etiquettes described and defined in Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also guided us how to make friends and what are the etiquettes and purpose of having friendship. First of all, every little thing, every plan that we want to initiate, we should always remember that we are doing it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When this is the intention in our every walk of life, then a Muslim is saved from sinning automatically. How? It is impossible for any person who believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be disobedient for the sake of Allah. They are two opposite things. Thus, when a person intends for his every action for the sake of Allah, he is safe from sins. Therefore, when it comes to making friends, we should intend to be friends with others for the sake of Allah Ta'ala only. That is, through this friendship, he intends to strengthen his and the friend's faith. Through this friendship,